Okay, so it's quite easy for applying borders on paragraph in Adobe InDesign. So for applying borders, you have to click on your paragraph, and for paragraph border option, you have to click on this flyover button, and you can find the option of paragraph borders and shading. You have to click on it. Once you will click on it, you can see here complete panel for paragraph borders, from where you can easily apply paragraph border as well as customize the properties based on your requirement. So first of all, make sure keep your preview on, by which you can see easily the effect of the using properties on your border. Just I will click on the preview, and now I am going to apply borders on our paragraph. So just you have to click on border, and you can see here border has been come around of your paragraph. Okay, so it was quite simple way for applying borders on your paragraph. Okay, now I am going to explain you how to adjust and manage border stroke. Okay, so as you can see here, it is complete stroke properties of your border is available, so you can easily manage and adjust based on your requirements. So currently border width is 1 pt. Okay, so if you want to increase from here something like this, as well as you can also decrease. But if you want to increase or decrease any specific side of border, so just keep it uncheck here, and now increase or decrease border thickness, something like that. If you want to keep blank any side of border, if I don't want border on left side, so just I will keep it unchecked and do it 0. Now you can see border has been removed from right side, something like this. Okay, so this is something you can customize your border based on your requirement. Okay, so now here you can see some stroke properties. That means what type of border you want. You can use dotted, dash, something like this, and you can also change the border color from here, something like this. Okay, and you can also decrease the tint value of your colors from here. Okay, as well as if you want to fill up your dashed gap that is coming between your dash, you can fill up with different color. Okay, so hope you got understand how to apply border as well as adjust the stroke of the border. Okay, so now next property of the border is corner side and offset. So for applying corner side properties, you can simply keep it check only, by whom you can see complete border. Now you can adjust the corner of your border. Okay, so here is some option of corner that is available. You can use it, something like round if you want, as well as insert. So these are some properties that you can use. Okay, apart from this, you can also increase or decrease value of this property from here. How to customize border corner properties. Okay, next we have offset. So what is offset exactly? Offset is simply space between the text as well as line. Okay, so if you want to increase this space here, so simply you can increase the value of your offset, something like this, as well as also you can decrease the value. Okay, this exactly also you can do individually if you keep it unchecked. Okay, it's totally depend upon you, based on your specification and requirement you can do. Okay, so this is something we have created this border. Okay, so once you have done all the things, simply you have to click on OK. Now you can see border has been applied on your paragraph. So hope you got understand how to apply border and customize it based on project requirement or specification. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more useful content. Thank you.
Lee Graphics.